Close or renew an IEP or an IFSP. Locate your participant and open the disability module. Click to access the plan, and if the participant will continue to receive services, click Add IEP. You'll notice all of the fields are copied over and renewed has been set as the default. Add your new date, and ChildPlus will set the date for the next renew period. Click Save to close the window and to see the updated record. When the participant is no longer eligible for services, click Close IEP. Again, the information will copy over, but now Close is set as the default. Be sure to select the close reason. Enter the date services are discontinued, and click Save. Follow these steps to avoid errors with your IEP IFSP entry. Be on the lookout for the next #CPSmart video.